Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, November 10th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. We jump into it. The city of Fitchburg has some job openings. You want to join Team Fitchburg? Here are the jobs that we have open currently. We are looking for basketball referees. Limited time employment, starting at $30 an hour. Not a bad gig with our Parks and Recreation. How about entry-level or lateral police officer positions available? Check out the police department website for information on what it takes to be a police officer. Or you can check out our careers page as well. Gives you the information. Fire department support staff are needed, paid on call. Master plumber, still looking for a master plumber in our public works department. And paid on call firefighters as well. If you're interested in any of these positions, as mentioned, go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov, click on that jobs page. It's right at the left side of the page there on our homepage on our website, and you can get yourself an interview, hopefully, here for the city of Fitchburg. All right, take two. Sunnyside Dog Park Spruce-Up-Event is happening this weekend. I want to remind you of that. Any of you dog park lovers or users, if you are interested in helping out this Saturday, November 11th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., you can come out and help move some mulch around that will be placed around trees and on some of the paths. They're also looking for gloves, shovels, buckets, even wheelbarrows if you got it. Bring all of that out to this Dog Park Spruce-Up Event, Take Two, this Saturday, November 11th, 9 a.m. to noon. And please help spread the word. If you can help out with that, that would be great. Want to remind you that the 2023 Sidewalk replacement project is still going. That will run through December 1st. The city is replacing approximately 300 panels across the city. As noted, the contractor will be starting the work. It started in about a little bit later in October, and it goes now through December 1st. Please note that the dates are weather dependent and may change. The city has marked sidewalk sections to be replaced with pink and white paint. Most panels take about 7 days from demolition to when they can walk or drive on them again. If your panels are marked on the sidewalk in front of your driveway, there will be a period for about 7 days that your driveway will not be accessible before removing any concrete. Contractor will notify you by door hanger or by knocking on your door and give you the instructions for moving your vehicle to the street before they do any of the work. Special accommodations or assistance, you can contact Zach. He's part of the project team. And for more information on the sidewalk replacement, that's at our website at fitchburgwi.gov. Next week, we'll have the public hearing on the council's proposed amendments to the 2024 operating budget. This will be happening on November 14th at 7:30 p.m. Could be a little bit later in the meeting, so the meeting starts at 7:30 p.m. But Common Council will hold that public hearing at the Fitchburg City Hall or virtually regarding the council's proposed amendments to the 2024 operating budget. To access the mayor's proposed budget and the council's proposed amendments, go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. It's right there on the homepage, and you can read through both of those and comment on both of those. And we'll have full coverage of that meeting on our Gov channel, F1. You can tune in for that. And if you're interested in commenting virtually, you need to reach out. Information is on our website for you to do so. And then they should adopt the budget on the 14th after that public hearing. So you can see how that plays out here on our Gov channel, F1. Finally, turning our attention to winterizing your homes. You're like, oh no, Jeremy, we don't want to do that. Well, sorry, but it is coming up. So let's give you some tips here on winterizing the home, including having your chimney inspected. When's the last time you checked that or cleaned it out? How about caulk and weather strip your doors and windows? You can do that pretty easily. There's a lot of great videos and things that are available to help you learn how to do that. Insulate exposed pipes, insulate your attic, clean out those gutters, install and test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors with battery backups. Check the date on those as well, as we talked to you about that earlier this week, knowing that they need to be replaced about every 10 years. There is a date on those, so make sure you mark it when you put in a new one. Gather up supplies that you're going to need as well, and you can find more tips at readywisconsin.gov to be ready for the winter. Have a great weekend, everybody.